IONMAX ION612 Desiccant Dehumidifier helps to control the humidity of the air and efficiently keeps excessive moisture at bay. Not only will the 612 optimize the humidity level in your home, its silver nanotechnology filter kills bacteria on contact, giving you cleaner, healthier air. Humidity is the amount of water vapour in the air. Excessively humid air can cause mould and mildew to grow inside homes, both of which pose numerous health risks. Lower humidity is preferred because it limits the population of pests. To operate the 612, simply press the on-off button. Press the ION button to turn the ioniser on and off. When the LED light is on, the unit will release negative ions from the air outlet, which will purify the air in your chosen environment. To set the timer on your 612, simply press the timer button and select your desired running time of 2, 4, or 8 hours. The unit will automatically switch off at the end of the selected time period. When no timer has been set, the unit will run continuously, or until the water tank has become full. The ION612 has 3 different swing modes: up, front, and wide. Laundry mode is a cost-effective alternative to the household tumble dryer. In savings mode, the unit automatically provides warm air to assist in clothes drying with low power consumption. Turbo mode is perfect for winter, as the unit provides heated air to dry clothes faster. The ION612 has 3 settings for drying. The auto setting will keep the humidity of the room comfortable at 55 to 60%. The low setting ensures the unit automatically dehumidifies using low fan speeds. The high setting can be used to prevent condensation in a very damp room. To remove, pull gently by gripping the bottom of the tank as demonstrated. Move the carry handle out of the way and remove the cover. Empty the water. Clean the tank if needed, then refit the cover, ensuring that it is on securely. The tank can now be reinserted and the unit is